Alright, threw some gas in the car and El Carro, and some transmission fluid. We're over the limit, which is good since we still have, I think, 2 quarts to go. But as soon as we put it in drive, I think it's going to suck all the stuff out of the pan. And yeah, the battery's hooked up. Everything's good to go. I just turned the fuel system on. So I think I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot, see what happens. I'm not sure what condition the battery's in. It has been a while. Well, let's hope everything goes smooth. I think I've checked everything. Fuel pump sounds good. And we have fuel pressure. Got no brakes. No brakes. Okay, well, that sounds healthy. Sounds healthy. We got no rear brakes, so we're gonna actually have to bleed those. My gravity idea, brake fluid thing didn't really. We got smoke. Got smoke, son. Where there's smoke, there is transmission fluid burning off of stuff. So yeah, sounds good. I don't see. Let's see if there's any massive puddles underneath. That's always the biggest concern. I don't see any massive puddles. So I think what I'm going to do now is lift it up and check all the fuel lines, make sure there's no fuel leaks, because that's always bad if there is. And then we'll check the transmission level and top it off. And yeah, maybe I'll have the wife come help me bleed the brakes and put the hood back on the car. So yeah, we're running. We're back and running. Happy about that. Yeah, I don't have a lot to say. I feel miserable. So I'm just happy. Glad that seems to work. The battery's still kicking. I brought the Gringo up just in case I had to use the jumper cables, but no need for the Gringo. Oh, Gringo. She's a beauty. She gets me where I need to go, old Gringo. So yeah, we did a once over, and there was a little spot of tranny fluid right here, but I'm almost like 1,000,000% sure that that's just from refilling it, because that would be completely normal. I don't see anything else on the transmission, the drive shaft. That all looks good. I didn't hear any exhaust leaks. I would have heard those. So that was all good and well. We need to bleed the brakes, but it's not leaking, which is a bonus. It seems like for me, everything that can go wrong usually does. There was one fuel leak. We had fuel right here on this T, so I just tightened that down a smidge, gave it a snug, and hopefully that does it. But the rest of the lines are all drip free. Okay, that's just a spot where they put those stupid little pins through it. I don't know why they do that, but whatever. So yeah, that is good. No drippy drips. So yep, so that is the underside. It is good. Need to bleed the brakes obviously, and get the hood on, and check the transmission fluid to see where we're at transmission fluid wise. Babe, thank you. So the wife came out and helped me get the hood on, which is no small feat. Luckily she has more patience than I do. Man, look how crooked this car is sitting. I cannot really express to you. I am standing right in front of this beam right here, and the car is like crazy crooked. So now it's on its own power, and I got the brakes blood. The wife also helped me do that. That was relatively uneventful. So we can get this thing out of here and maybe wash some of this dust off, and yeah, put it back in straight. Straight will be nice. Okay, there she be. My dog is crazy over playing stick. So I took her on her maiden voyage, just kind of around the block, because I don't really have the coolant fan hooked up. So I just wanted to drive it, and I wasn't doing anything crazy, so there was no need to really bring a camera along to record. I just wanted to make sure the axle wouldn't fall out from underneath it, which it didn't. It still seems to be holding well in there, and yeah, I didn't want to beat on the transmission until I'm like 100% sure we got fluid all the way through everything, and test that out. Yeah, not bad. She's good looking. I think I'm just gonna knock the dust off of her while I got her out here. It'll take a second to kind of wash it up, take all the collection of. You have a fab shop, you just make metal dust, and it gets everywhere. So we'll kind of clean it up, knock all the dust off of it. See my Reagan Bush 1984 bumper sticker. I'm pretty proud about that. And yeah, we'll clean it up, knock the dust off of it, and we'll put it back in the garage nice and straight, so we can finish all the little things we need to get accomplished on it, which is not much. Back brakes are working, that's good. You can see that got a little bit of wear mark now. See how the other one looks. Man, this thing is so much higher up with these new springs in here. Yeah, the other one's got a little wear too, nothing much. I mean, we just took it, like I said, around the block. It's not even a mile. So yeah, we'll let's clean it up. I think that after that I'm going to get cleaned up, probably take a nap. Hope that I wake up and feel a little bit better, because tomorrow's work day and we got to work. So yep, clean up the shop, clean up the car, and yeah, so thanks for dropping in, checking out the video. Until next time, this is Mike from Monkey Fab signing out.